What are you doing, babe?
Okay. You doing mine?
No, I'm recording you. You're gonna make burrito. Hello everyone! Nakarating na namin ng bahay. Change kami ngayon guys ng mga grocery na pinamili namin sa Walmart. Today is Sunday. Pupunta kami mamaya ng church. So nakabili ako guys ng balatong or sitaw.
Wow.
Hugasan ko to. Ay. Bukas na lang pala. Bukas. Lutuin ko na to para hindi masayang. Yung ulamin ko ay marguso or yung bitter melon. Ang palaya. Ito guys. Ay, commander ba yung hindi pala. Ito, may nakita akong bayabas. Tapos hindi pa siya luto. Kaya kinuha ko na. Kasi mostly yung mga bayabas dito, luto na. Kaya hindi ako bumibili. Bumili din ako ng all-purpose flour. It's already 4 p.m. here. Pupunta kami ng church mga anong oras? What time are we gonna leave, babe? 5? Yeah. Mga 5 p.m. pa naman. So, may time pa. Jesus. You already put the... Still got a lot of bread. Kung nakita, mayroon pa pala kaming... Ala! That's crazy. We still have 4. When is the expiration?
That stuff lasts a while.
October 2.
Yeah, use that one first.
Yeah, put it out now. I just bought a lot of bread. I thought wala na. Ako. Mahal pa naman ang tinapay na to. This one is October 2. Ano to? $6? $6 pa naman to isa. Kakainis. Tapos meron pa dito. October 3. Yung October 3 pa yung una kong gamitin. Tomorrow, babe, you just need to... Yeah. Get all the sandwich. But I guess if you can put it in the refrigerator, it's still fine.
Yeah, it's probably fine.
As long as I put it now in the refrigerator. October 2? Nako. And then, meron pa pala ako dito. Bacon. Ng spinach kasi magluluto ako ng munggo. Lagyan ko ng spinach at saka sinigang kasi wala akong sinigang. Meron ako ditong nabili na na shrimp. Ito guys, munggo. Ito yung munggo. Ito lang lahat yung grocery namin, konti lang, 2 bag lang. Tapos $98 ang mahal na. Before mga ganito hindi pa abot sa 98 siguro. Last time mga nasa 70. Ngayon ang mahal. Nagsimahalan. Bumili din ako ng saging. Ito yung ulamin ko mamaya. Green na green pa. Kasi last time nakabili ako ng ampalaya. Parang yung lasa iba, pero fresh naman siya. Siguro ibang hindi siguro Filipino na style ng ampalaya. Kaya hindi na ako umulit. So ngayon, binili ko yung maliit na lang. Kasi baka nag-iba na yung lasa. And then, meron din ako ditong kasaba. Last time, nabili ako isa din. Hindi ko pa nakain. Nakalimutan ko. Pero ito bukas, lutuin ko. Kasaba. Balinghoy. Balinghoy tawag sa amin. Dito ko na lang ito ilagay. Isang green apple. Ito lang yung mga pinamili ko. $98. Parang hindi naman ako makamove on. Madami namang mga grocery store dito sa amin. Kaso yan yung dyan na lang kami palagi nakasanayan na bumili sa Walmart. Babe, here. How you make your food? Because you're a vlogger now?
I'm not a vlogger.
How can they recognize you? I'm not a vlogger, huh? I should throw this. Mag-slice muna ako, guys. Siya sana pa-slice ko kasi hindi na lang baka mapalpak pa yung aking marguso. Put it back in the refrigerator. Then this one. I'm gonna cook it tomorrow though. Yun lang. Mag-slice ako ngayon ng this one. Try ko to, guys. You're gonna take tulog mo na siya. Okay. Ay. Bayabas. Should try this, babe. Medyo luto na yung isa. Ito na ang kainin ko.
Can't do that.
Try this. It's yummy. Maybe you're not allergic to this.
You're willing to just risk my life?
Maybe you're not allergic to this.
Probably won't die.
Probably.
So sweat.
Wala. Medyo luto na. Handa ko na lang yung mga luto. Sa Pilipinas, libre lang to. Kahit saan mo lang kukunin dito. Mahal-mahal. Ewan ko magkano bili ko dito. Siguro $5. Parang $5. Kung sa pesos, nasa 58, ay, anak sa 280 pesos. 280 pesos kasi nitong bayabas lang na to. Hindi ko pa rin minsan may iwasang mag-convert. Minsan hindi ako nag-convert, pero most of the time nag-convert talaga ako. That's the guava.
It smells weird.
They said it smells like the body odor. I don't think so. Wait, I'm gonna wash it.
Or like right now. See? Smell it.
No, it's not. It's not a body odor.
No.
I don't know why people say that.
That's a
It smells
smell
good.
body.
Yeah. Maybe when it's too ripe.
What's that?
Maybe when it's too ripe.
Oh.
Maybe can you make rice for me? You know how to make it?
You want to know how to make rice. You got it?
Huwag na lang luwa.
I'll do it for you. Just ask me what you got.
Wash it. Para lutuin ko ng kanin. I like the weather today. Ano siya, hindi mainit.
Huh? What am I doing? Something wrong? Courtney? Am I doing something wrong?
You're good. Okay, wash it again.
That's good. Huh?
No,
Turn it
not
on
yet.
water?
You're not gonna wash it again.
Okay, now what?
Last batch. Okay, wash it. Uy, careful.
Oh, I'm losing a lot of rice here.
Yeah. Ayun lang. Okay, that's good.
Allah.
And then, put 3 cups of water.
Can I just eyeball it?
No. I want to...
That's about 3 cups.
No, it's not 3 cups. Here's the cup. Ah. So now you're gonna do it again?
No, it's 3 cups. That's about 3 cups.
It's not 3 cups.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna be precise.
Yeah. 3 cups. Because if you put 2 cups of rice, you need to make it 3. The water, make it 3 cups of water. Can you
It's not
understand me?
how I do it. Every time I make rice.
You know how you do it?
Okay, let's see. How many of these do I put in?
3.
That's the exact same amount of water I had in there, by the way.
No, it's not. At least you contribute even just for the rice.
Cook all the meals around here.
Then put it into cook. That's the easiest way, babe, to cook rice. Thank you.
Well,
Where you go? Kain na ako, guys. Hanggang hilaw pa, kainin ko na to. Habal. Habal, ano ba tawag? Hindi masyadong luto. Sa Ilonggo, sa amin tawag habal. Ngayon guys, mag-slice na ako ng marguso, ng ampalaya. Slice ko lang ito sa maliliit. Siguro magtanim ako ng ampalaya. Ito, itanim ko. Try ko itanim yung kanyang liso. Yung seeds. Kunin ko yung seeds. Siguro tutubo naman to. Baka pwede pa akong magtanim ng ampalaya. Ayan. Ganyan ko sa sayang. Sure. Tapos sarap. Healthy yung baby. Kain mo ng meals. Sinabi ko sa baby kami ng food. Kain ko yung anak hindi ko kakain. Pero sanay. Yan. Finish na. Sarap. Ang panggisa lang to. Yung nabili ko na shrimp. Nabili ko to siya ng $9. Ay, 9.11. Ayan. 9.11 pa. May 9.11 ba? $10 na lang. 14 to 23 per LB. Ayan. 21 to 35 per bag. Hindi ko to uubusin kasi bukas magluluto pa ako ng sinigang. Piliin ko lang. Cute. 5 pieces lang. Frozen pa. Malinis na pala siya. Wala na siyang sungo. Tawag dito yung malinis na. Okay na pala itong dito. Cut ko na lang konti. Wala akong toothpick. Need ba dapat kunin yun? Before nga, hindi naman yung pinukuha. Siguro yan yung malansa. Ko nang magluto ng mabilisan. Pupunta na kami ng simbahan. Mantika, avocado oil para healthy. But high heat guys. Then, itong shrimp. Nain ko na itong gisahin. Mabilis lang naman itong gisa. Ayan, nagre-red na siya ng konti. Sunod ko na din yung ampalaya. Lagyan ko lang to ng 2 itlog. Kayo guys, mahilig ba kayo sa ampalaya? Ako kasi favorite ko to. Kahit nung bata pa ako, especially pag naalala ko, hindi uso before yung mga gamot-gamot. Kaya yung ginagawa ko guys, dahon ng ampalaya, yan yung kinukuha ko yung katas niya. Yan yung iniinom ko pag may lagnat, may ubo. Kasi yan yung ginagawa ng mama ko. Then, maglagay na ako ng asin. Timplahin ko na. Ano tong asin? Ito parang asin at saka pepper. Lagyan ko na din ng ano. Wow, sarap. Meron ako ditong wow, sarap, guys. Parang magic sarap. Magic sarap. Kunti lang naman. Then, kasi wala akong garlic, lagyan ko din ng garlic powder. Ay, ang bango. In. Konti lang talaga. Ayan. Siyempre, takpan. Guys, pwede na. Kumulo na siya. Half cook lang naman. Parang naluto na nga. Lagyan ko na ng itlog. Isang itlog lang. Then, takpan ulit. Mga 1 minute nang maluto yung yung egg. Kasi hindi pwede sa akin yung malasado, dapat luto. Pag buntis ka, bawal yung mga malasado, yung half cook. Ito na guys. Lutong-luto na talaga siya. Palaya. Bakbaka na guys. Ito na yung aking dinner. Early pa yung dinner ko. 4:57 PM. Ito yung nabili kong flour sa Shein. Cute. Pang fall. Kain. Wow. Ayan. Excited na ako. Sarap. Fresh na fresh pa yung shrimp. Sana all. Malalaman mo talagang fresh pa siya. Kasi yung lasa niya malinamnam. Tamis. Matamis yung shrimp. Hindi talaga ako mahilig magtinidor. Tapos na akong kumain at 10 minutes na lang, alis na kami papuntang church. So ito yung iniinom ko na vitamins, prenatal, folic acid plus DHA. Ito 100 ano na to siya, 100 capsule. At mga 3 months na din. O 3 months ang magagamit hanggang ano na to, hanggang November. So ito lang yung ginagamit ko, guys. Wala akong ginagamit na ibang mga vitamins. Ito lang talaga, prenatal. Kasi lahat-lahat naman to kasama. Madami naman tong vitamins. Basta kain ka lang ng mga mga gulay-gulay at prutas. Ito siyang iniinom pagkatapos kong kumain ng dinner.
Oh, you mean on the other side? Maybe.
Is that him?
I don't know. Did they wave?
No. We're going to church now, guys. At nagdala ako ng bayabas. Mag-offer ako ng song. Mamaya, i-video niya.
Oh, wow.
So yung church, mga, how many minutes, babe? 15 minutes, right?
The church?
Yeah.
No, more than that.
Oh,
Like 20.
25. 25 pala. Forgot. At, yep, it's already 5:35. So it will start like 6. At
yeah.
least we'll get there in time. Sometimes they start like 6:05. Makain muna ako ng bayabas. Kakainin ko na yung mga bayabas kasi ito lutog na siya. Para hindi masayang kasi sayang naman. Mahal pa naman ng bayabas na to. Ubusin ko na hanggang bukas. Dito na kami, guys, sa church. Ano na? 5:55. Ay, 6:01 pala. So, practice pa sila ng song. Kitan. Thanks, babe.
Still guided by the unseen hand.
This song is I Am Not Alone, and this song reminds us that He is always with us and we're not alone. He will never leave us nor forsake us. Hallelujah, Jesus. Thank you. When I walk through deep waters, I know that You will be with me. When I'm standing in a fire, I will not be overcome. Through the valley of the shadow, I will not fear.
Oh, praise God.
I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. In the midst of deep sorrow, I see Your light is breaking through. The dark of night will not overtake me. I am pressing into you. Lord, you fight my every battle, and I will not fear. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. You amaze me, redeem me. You call me as your own. You amaze me, redeem me. You call me as your own. You amaze me, redeem me. You call me as your own. You amaze me, redeem me. You call me as your own. You're my strength. You're my defender. You're my refuge in the storm. Through these trials, you've always been faithful. You bring healing to my soul. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. Thank you, Lord.
Hello mga madam! Ngayon ay afternoon na, yun yung vlog ko kahapon. So, i-continue ko lang guys. Ngayon, naghihintay ako sa aking asawa kasi magpapa-haircut siya. Susundo kami sa anak niya sa school. And it's already, ano na dito? It's already 3:35 p.m. So, hapon na. So, kakalabas lang yan ng work. Pauwi na siya ngayon. At ito nga lang yung outfit ko, guys. Nakadress ulit. Hintay lang ako dito ng jeep. Pero walang jeep dito, no? Walang mga public transportation. Sa old namin na place, may mga ano doon. May mga bus. Merong mga public transportation doon. Na pag ano daw, pag gusto ko makilala yung mga neighbor ko, kumatok daw ako sa kanilang pintuan at sabihin na ako yung bagong ano dito, neighbor nyo. Ang ganda talaga, nagustuhan ko talaga tong dress na to. Kasi nabili ko lang to siya sa Old Navy. Tapos sale. At pangbuntis. Ano lang to guys, nabili ko lang siya ng $8, naka-sale. And then yung bag, nabili ko lang, profit ko pa to nung nagbebenta ako ng bag last time. Nagbebenta kasi ako guys ng bag last time at Profit ko to nung nagtitinda pa ako. So, Kate Spade. Ito lang yung nabili ko. 2 bag lang yung nabili ko. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako mahilig bumili ng mga gamit-gamit, na mga bags. Siguro mga damit, pag mumurahin, nagbibenta ako. Madaming nakatingin sa akin, guys. Oh, siguro nagbibideo ako. Siguro akala nila anong pinagagawa ko. Yung mga nakatingin. Yung mga sasakyan. Nakatingin sila sa akin kasi nagsasalita ako dito sa camera. Ang camera ko kasi maliit kaya hindi nila alam. Nilalagay ko sa basurahan sa garbage can yung aking camera. Ito na yung asawa ko. I was just taking a picture outside while waiting for you.
Okay.
Hello. You went in that way, babe?
Yeah, because there was a bunch of traffic over there.
Oh. I'm gonna do haircut. Papagupit na muna siya ng buhok. Ano na, it's already 3:48 p.m. Say hi to my vlog, babe.
Hello. Grab your purse.
Oh. Dito na kami, guys, sa may sa barber shop. Kunin ko muna yung bag ko for safety purposes. Wala naman tong laman. I don't have anything in this bag.
Yeah, well, don't leave it in there. Somebody will break the window.
Oh. Ala, the barber shop is here. I thought it's in the yung building nila, guys. Ha? Aw. Ano ba to siya? Hindi mo halata.
That's for Edgar. You leave already? Well, it's supposed to be booked till 4 when going.
Can I text you?
No.
You went to like a graduation thing.
Oh. Okay, yeah, I did see that, but I didn't know the number. Okay.
Okay.
I'll just reschedule with him. All right. That's all right.
Hala. What happened? They just...
I just got this. Hey, bro, I had to leave to go to a police academy graduation. Can
Oh.
you do tomorrow same time?
Okay. Bukas na lang daw. Na-cancel. Ako, guys, sa may Nugget Market. Kasi bibili ako ng rice flour. Madami silang mga benta ulit ng mga tawag doon. Ala, may mangga ulit. Ang laki ng mangga, ha? Ayan, pasok tayo sa loob. Hindi naman ako kumuha ng bag. Nakalimutan ko naman. So, magbabayad na ako ngayon sa cashier. Oh, hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you.
You have 25 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, just one plastic. No, it's okay. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Here. Thank you. Hinga ko, guys. Tapos akong bumili. So, nabili ko. Ito, isang bag na maliit, $25.
Is that Michael?
Yeah. Huh? That's all I bought, guys. Yeast. Yeast, Chips Ahoy. Maliit na rice flour. Kung mahal-mahal. Nagko-convert na naman ako. Kahit matagal na ako dito. But it seems like this grocery, babe, is just expensive.
Is it?
All of this, I only bought Chips Ahoy. Just one pack. And then, rice flour. Just a small one. And then,
What kind of flour?
It's just a rice flour because for my puto, I'm gonna make puto tomorrow.
White flour?
Yeah, it's white, but it's just small.
They say that's the bad one, right?
No, it's a rice flour. Yeah, it's color white because it's rice. Guys, nakarating na namin ng bahay at bukas magluluto ako ng puto na gawa sa rice flour kasi mostly yung mga puto ay all-purpose flour. So, gusto ko i-try yung yung rice, yung gawa talaga sa bigas. So, ito yung binili ko, guys, rice flour. Bukas gigising ako ng mga 5:30 AM pa rin kasi yung asawa ko magtrabaho. And then gagawa na rin ako ng puto. Lalagyan ko siya ng cheese sa ibabaw at coconut milk. Kasi pupunta ako guys sa friend ko bukas, mga 10 AM. So magdala ako ng puto at siguro magluto siya ng dinuguan or yung lulutuin niya. Yung puto pang lang, pang kape-kape lang namin. So abangan nyo yan bukas mga madam. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless everyone. Bye!